Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, Fix XAMPP cannot create file xampp-control.ini access is denied. Open File Explorer, click this PC, C drive. Open XAMPP folder. Right-click xampp-control.exe, click Properties. Click Compatibility tab. Check Run this program as an administrator. Click Apply, click OK. Right-click, Send to, Desktop Create Shortcut. Start Apache and MySQL service. Click Admin. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.